What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. All right, so today's footwork move we're going to work on is a back CC. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dancing to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description right now to apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so the back CC is really just a CC variation where instead of doing front-facing footwork, we're actually doing it in the back. So I'm going to turn to the side so we can see this a little bit easier. So we're going to start from this frog stance, or on all fours is what I call it too. So you're going to take your first step from your sixth step. If you start from the back, I like to start from the front, but if you start from the back, this would be where you start. You're step to the front, and then from here, instead of stepping and hooking, I'm actually gonna hook my knee on my ankle and hip to the side. So from here, I'm really trying to twist my body to the side, just so I get a little bit more action on the side. Then from here, I'm just gonna take a step back, reverse it, back to all fours. So again, starting with my left. Start the first step of sixth step, if you start in the back, this goes left. Then I'm gonna hook my knee on this ankle, out, and a little twist as well, and I come back to where I started. So let's try that with count. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So starting with my left, this will be 1, hook around, 2, come back, 3, and 4. So let's try that on the other side. So same thing. I'm gonna take my right leg, take my first step, a sixth step if you start in the back. So this is my right leg. From here, I'm hooking my knee onto this ankle or my heel, and I give a little twist to the left, and I come back, left, and then right. So one more time, this goes right, hook, back, left, right. So let's try that with counts. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now let's try going back and forth. So you really want to think of this move as just doing 4 movements on each side. So you have 4 to your right, 4 to your left, and we'll come back. So for right now, we'll do whole counts. So starting with your left leg. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, other way. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so once you have that down, you can speed it up if you want to. So right now, I'm just gonna add and counts. So now you wanna think every step you're going and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. So back and forth. There we go. So 5, 6, 7, left foot, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. All right, so one more thing you can do with this is you can really decide when you wanna use both hands or when you wanna just use one arm, okay? So for example, if I do my step here, I can do both hands if I want. So normally in sixth step, I would tell you not to do it. But since we're doing just a back CC, you can keep your hand up, you can put your hand down, put your hand on your head. So whatever you want to do to make it fancier, it's really up to you to make it different for yourself. All right, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now and also click the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one is you really want to make sure you're connecting your knee to your heel and also giving it a little bit twist to make it a little bit bigger. And the second thing is you can add your own style to it, so you don't always have to put both hands on the floor. You can put on your head, one arm, whatever you want to do. All right, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.